So hey guys, a few weeks ago we saw that Nothing has confirmed the Nothing Phone 2 in the MWC 2023 as well as the use of an 8th Gen series CPU in the Phone 2. After that, stories began to circulate that it would employ the most recent 8th Gen 2 processor, but I was sure that Nothing would use the 8 Plus Gen 1. But Qualcomm has made an official announcement on which processor would be utilized in the Nothing Phone 2. The Qualcomm official may have spoiled the surprise by revealing that the device would be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU. The information came from a now deleted LinkedIn post by Qualcomm Senior Vice President and General Manager of the Mobile, Computer and XR Business Unit, who congratulated Pi on the news but provided far too much information about the release. While the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU is still a very capable chip at full price, it is an older generation processor which some may find irritating on a smartphone coming in 2023. As previously noted, this is still a highly powerful CPU with more than enough power for regular use and even gaming. In recent testing comparing the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 to the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, we discovered that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 outperformed the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in certain areas but not in others. Of course, for those that were hoping for and wanted the best possible internals inside the Nothing Phone 2, it looks like that probably won't be happening this year. Again, as stated before, this isn't a huge blow to the handset, and by using an older generation processor, there is always the chance or there is a likely chance that the price of the device will debut much lower than the competitors offering. In the end, the surprise announcement by the Qualcomm CEO just added to the buzz surrounding Nothing's upcoming smartphone. It highlighted that even huge companies can make mistakes and leak valuable information, giving fans for the new startup something to look forward to. The new phone is scheduled for releasing in the third quarter of this year, so there is still time for everything to fall into place. So what do you think about this Nothing Phone 2? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.